Quite liking this end. We've got like the retro static airlift corner. Music's banging, sun shines out. What more could you want on Easter Sunday? Hi guys, welcome to another video, and you join us at a little sort of breakfast meet on Easter Sunday at a local German tuning company called Works. So I'm here in my bath, and I've just been another friend with another bath that's parked up behind me, invited him to the AOC Dorset page of course. Then we're here also in Dale's decked Passats. Let's take a look at what's here so far. A bath friend. This is seeming like a really nice little meet. These are the sort of meets I wanted to go to this year, the small ones, different sorts of meets, not just Italian stuff. Got myself a Coke, Dale's got yourself a nice coffee, music's banging, sun shines out. What more could you want on Easter Sunday? Cars, drinks and music. So this seems to be the van parking. So we've got a caddy, a few caddies, transporters. Now these are cool. MG Metro. Oh, Dale's eyeing up the non-modified Passat in his colour. I like this. Quite liking this end. We've got like the retro static airlift corner. This one's just turned up.
That's static.
What that is,
yeah.
Is this one.
No.
So static, air ride, static.
I can't remember if this is or not. I think this is static.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed. We feel lots of fun. But at some point we miss a right. And when we find no one wants to stop, and as time
like so good. I'm getting goosebumps. So as you can see, we're now back from that little sort of breakfast meet at Works, which is, like I said, a German sort of tuning company, but it said any car could go, so hence why I bought the Italian bath. Another bath came along, parked behind me, made new bath friends, that's all good. Really good meet. We were there for about half 9. Just got back, it was around 12 now, so it's something to do over the Easter weekends, apart from eating Easter egg and chocolate. So yeah, obviously there was mainly German cars there, but it was a really good meet. There was nice Porsches, a real old Merc on air ride there, some more Passat, some more wagons, estate cars, modified, even some of the original sort of Golf GTIs and stuff were there. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hand. But yeah, really good meet. I popped the bonnet up on the end in the bath, so people would know it's a bit modified, and since I did that, loads of people were looking at the Forge induction kit, which obviously I've got on the bath now, so yeah, that brought over some more attention to the older Trofeo. So glad I opened the bonnet so people can see what's going on underneath. Yeah, managed to get a few of the good cars leaving as well. Sort of went down to the end when no one else was filming but me, so I got some good cars leaving as well in this video. So yeah, real good meet, nice little meet on industrial estate. Couple of hours. There was a barbecue, hot drinks, and yeah, just real nice people. I knew a few people, Dale knew a few people, so it was all good. So yeah, I'll go to that one again. Like I said, I want to go to more of these little mini meets now as well. So if you've enjoyed watching this little video of mine, well, it'll probably be a big one actually, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get a notification every time one of my videos goes up on the Driven 24/7 automotive channel. If you think I should go to more of these sort of German car meets, because obviously we have got the German car, which my fiance owns, the VW Passat, then let me know, and yeah, I'll try and get around to more of these local meets which are in my area, because they're obviously easier for us to get to and attend to, and gets our cars out and about on the scene as well. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, share with all your car enthusiast friends, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.